Plani.ai smart planning tool. Of course, when you enter for the first time, the page is in blank because you don't have any project open yet. So let's set a new goal in this button. Here, I'm going to ask you what the goal to be achieved. So you can write your own response here, or you can choose one from our list. Let's choose that our goal is to find a co-founder. Here, I'm gonna make you some questions to understand your project, your resources, and then gonna give us tasks to achieve that goal. So let's choose one option here, but you can write your own response here. This is no more 2 or 3 minutes to set our project with the right responses. So that's it. It's done. Now let's click in generate. You're going to give us tasks. We have to wait a little bit, but they're going to appear here. So now you have the tasks when to perform to achieve that goal, to find a co-founder. You can open the tasks to see what the task is, why it gives us this task. You also can talk with your task to be more easy to do that. You can make questions, asks for guides or something you like. We also can replace these tasks if you already have done like this task before, or if you want, you can add new task. You're going to think a little bit and then you're going to appear here our new task to do. We can also put the task in order to work on them, like in progress, they're going to appear here. Or if I want to prepare this task, I'm going to put in next up to do in next of my work. So that's it. Plani.ai gives you tasks to achieve your goals. Thanks.